Let's make a simple animation, a bouncing ball. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to use keyframes, control movement with the playhead, and adjust X and Y to create realistic motion. This is the foundation of all animation: timing, movement, and control. Now, let's start animating. This is the most basic process of animating the ball. Hit the wall, bounce and fall to the ground, and bounce until it stops. To make the ball bounce on the wall and then bounce on the ground floor, what we'll do is look for our object, the ball. We'll open it, then place it in the timeline. We'll reduce the size of the ball to 30% so that it has space. Then we'll place it in the starting location. Set it in the starting position, then click on the keyframe. Move the playhead forward a little and click again to add the second keyframe. After that, drag the ball to the position where it should stop. For example, here. Let's try to see the result. Okay, we can see that the ball moved quickly toward the wall. Now, to make it easier for us to create the bounce and falling motion, let's open the keyframe editor, click on the timeline, then press the shortcut Ctrl+K to open the keyframe editor. Next, click X and Y. Now, to make the ball bounce, click X, position the playhead here on X, and then drag the ball. Let's try to play it. We saw that the ball bounced. Let's continue positioning the ball where it should fall, or where it should go in the right direction. So let's move the playhead again here, and then drag the ball to where it should go. Then, to see the result, let's play it again. There. The ball bounced. So continuously, let's position the playhead again, and then move the ball. Position the playhead again, and move the ball. Position the playhead again, and move the ball near the ground. Position again. And now, this is the ground. Let's try to play our progress. There, we can see progress from the wall, and now the ball reaches the ground. Now that the ball is on the ground, it needs to bounce when it hits. So, to make it bounce, position the playhead again, and then make the ball bounce upward. Position your mouse properly. The bounce should look something like this, like that. Let's try to play it. There. It bounces upward. Let's position the playhead again and bounce the ball downward. Then position again upward. Bounce upward again, and like that. Then position again downward. Then position again upward. Position again downward. Let's try to play. So that's the most basic process to make the ball move to the wall, bounce back, and then fall down to the ground. If this helped, tap like, hit subscribe, and follow for more fast, practical CapCut tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.